friends, I'm going to show you how I make a really nice skillet breakfast. So with that, I've got probably a good tablespoon of oil, olive oil, in my pan, and it is screaming hot. So I'm going to put my potatoes in there. I got red potatoes cut up. I've got green and red peppers I'm going to add to that. And then I've got some onion and a little bit of garlic, probably one garlic clove. And I'm also going to put in some sausage. This is my smoked sausage, or my kielbasa. So with that, I'm going to give that a good stir. I'm going to turn this down just a little. Now I don't need to add any salt to that. Well, yeah, no, I'm not going to add any salt. But I am going to add pepper. Okay? And that's all I'm going to put in there for right now. I'm not going to add salt because that sausage has a little sodium in it, so that will season it. So I'm just going to stir these up a little. I'm going to put just a dot of water in them. I'm going to cover it with the lid, turn it down just a little, and it's going to go for about 20 minutes until everything in there, all the vegetables and potatoes, are nice and tender. And then I'll be back and show you how I finish it up. Okay, friends, this is pretty much done. These are all tender, wonderful. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to flatten these out a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to crack eggs right on the top of these. I broke one. Well, okay, I'm also going to add a little bit of cheese to these because they will cook the rest of the way. Okay, and I'm going to top that with just a few crumbles of parsley. And that's it. Not going to turn the heat off. The heat is down. I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to let it cook for another 5 minutes, and when it's done, I'll be back and I'll show you. Okay, friends, this is all done. Our skillet breakfast is done. Ooh, look how beautiful that turned out. That is wonderful with all the vegetables in there and the eggs on top and topped with a little bit of cheese. It smells delicious. So now all I'm going to do is make up some toast and serve breakfast, and we are all set. So there you have it, friends. Give this a try, and thanks for watching.